Hello children, today the computer topic is Windows 10. Windows 10 is a operating system. Windows 10 operating system, it is all confusing, right? So I will explain you what is this operating system, what is this Windows 10 right from the scratch. So first of all we will see the introduction. What is a computer? Computer is a system. Actually it is composed of two components, main two components that are called the hardware and the software. Hardware is the one that we touch with our hands, like the keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU. All this comes under the hardware. And the things that we can't see and we can't touch with our hands are called the software. Means the programming systems is called software. So you can just see hardware versus software. The RAM, storage unit, keyboard, mouse all comes under the hardware, and the programs and the applications comes under the software. Again the software is divided into two, the application software and the system software. Application software, as we all know, the apps that we download. If you want to edit a video, we will just upload or download a app that based on our interest. Means it may be educational app, enterprises app, media, or something else, whatever it may be. Based on our interest, we will just download the apps like video editing, audio editing, photo editing, so many apps. And system software, it is pre-installed and it is present inside the computer or the mobile, and it is useful for the operation of the system. And in that operating system, what is operating system then? In general, it is an interface between the hardware of a computer and the user. So the operating system, what the operating system does is, it gives us the programs, it gives us the instructions to run the hardware and the user. So you can just see the operating system is an interface between the, if we want to run anything, the printer or the monitor or keyboard with the hardware, so we have to have the operating system. For a clear understanding, I will tell you the Apple software that works in the Apple phones, that Android software that works in our mobiles. Like that, a computer also have an operating system. What does the operating system function? When the power is turned on, the system starts automatically. It is an interface between the user and the computer. It manages all the hardware and the software. It controls the program execution and all. So there are many operating systems like the Apple, Android, Windows and all. So the basic for mobiles, we are very familiar with the Apple software, Android software and all. For the computers, the best and the mostly used operating system is the Windows, and it is done by Microsoft. So it is called as Microsoft Windows. Let us see the history of the Microsoft Windows. It is started in 1985 and it is named as Windows 1, and then Windows 3.1 in 1992, and so on. It got upgraded, and in 2015 we got Windows 10. Now it is the latest version of Windows. So in simple, what is Windows 10? What is the latest version? It is one window for all the devices. Means in one window we can just do all the things. Windows 10 is meant to unify desktop PCs, Windows, tablets, smartphones, one way of operating and one account. And there are various programs that can run in the Windows 10 like Notepad, WordPad, MS Paint, Calculator, Media Player, Snipping Tool, Character Map, like that. First we will see the Notepad. Notepad, we all know that like the textbook, we just like the notebook that we have, it is a basic text editor tool. Means we can write, we can erase, we can just do some simple things with the words in the Notepad. It is not a very hi-fi type of editing tool, but we can do simple writing list like that. And how can we open a Notepad in the Windows 10? Just see, you can just use the search engine and type the Notepad like this. You can just go to the search search bar, and you can just go to the notepad, or you can just click on the blank space and you can make a new and then make a notepad. Or you can go through the app also. You can just search in all the apps. See, we can write like this. It is simply we can save the files. You see, we can save the files like that. Or if you don't want, you can no. And next, coming to the WordPad. WordPad is also a text editing tool. The Notepad and the WordPad are the text editing tools of the Windows 10. And WordPad is much more better than the Notepad because it has so many editing tools. Like we can edit, copy, paste. We can edit the format of the letters and all. See, we can just have the interface. See, we'll have the title bar, menu bar, smart state bar, tool bar, ruler, format bar. We can have so many things in the WordPad, but they are not present in the Notepad. So WordPad is much hi-fi than the Notepad. So you can undo, cut, copy, paste special, which means we can just paste our clip paths, replace, find, and everything. So how can we open a WordPad in Windows 10? Simple, same like the Notepad. We can go through all the apps, or see, we can go through all the apps and Windows accessories, and then click on Windows accessories. In that you can have the WordPad. Just, yes, here is the WordPad. You can go through that and edit. Next, calculator. Calculator, as we already know, calculator is used for doing mathematical operations. Even without going outside and bring a calculator and all, in the Windows 10 itself we have a calculator to do a simple operations, and also a scientific calculator is also present to do very large calculations like roots, cube roots, squares and all, logarithms, algorithms and all. In like the Notepad and WordPad, we can just go to all the apps and go to the calculator, or we can just search here calculator. See, we can see the calculations like this. It is very simple to do the calculations. In the another way is to search here. Understood? You can do the calculations like this without taking a calculator by your hand like that. So you can have percentages, cube roots, square roots, everything. And next, coming to the Windows 10 Paint. In the Paint, we can draw many diagrams, and we can save it as JPG format, GIF format, BMP files like that. You can draw, edit and everything. We can draw the pictures, we can edit the pictures, we can have black and white pictures, and we can write like this in the handwriting, or we can draw beautiful sceneries with using so many editing tools at the top. Means see, shapes are there, colorings are there, and so many are there. So how to open this in a Windows 10? You can search here MS Paint. See, Paint. You can get the Paint. And we can draw. See, we have so many tools. And or else the second way is to go here and go to the apps and search Paint there. Where is the Paint? Yes, here is the Paint. We can go and draw the Paint. Next, coming to the media player. Media player is like our music player that we have in our mobile phones. It is also a very user friendly for playing audio, video and viewing images on personal computer. And how can we view that? It is also same like all the other apps. We can just go to the Windows accessories and open Windows media player, or just search here. Type here to search is there. No, you can search there. Next is the snipping tool. Snipping tool is a very advanced tool that is used for taking screenshots on the computer. When we are using this snipping tool, we can just take a screenshot whenever we want. The screenshots can be saved in the form of PNG, GIF, JPEG or an MHTML files. Okay, and the very advanced feature of this snipping tool in Windows 10 is we have a delay function, which means we can set up a time at how much time we can want to screenshot that particular image. The interface, so we can, as we can see in the image, the snipping tool can be new. If you want to take a new screenshot, you can mode rectangular or window or something like that. Or if you want to have a delay, you can delay for 1 2 3 4 5 or 5 seconds, cancel like that. This is the interface of a snipping tool. See, we can have a rectangular snip, window snip, full screen snip, like that. We can have a delay mode options. If you want to cancel that, we can cancel that. How can we open? You can just, in the search bar, you can just type snip and we can get that snipping tool. Or in the another way, we can just go to the click on start, scroll down and click on Windows accessories, as I already told you, and click on snipping tool shortcut. We in these two ways, by using the Windows accessories or using the search engine, you can just go to the snipping tool. And next, coming to the Windows Edge. Windows Edge is a tool, is a program that is run in the Windows 10. It is used to access all the websites that are present at one place. A web browser is a program that is used to view websites on internet. In older versions of Windows operating system, we used to have Windows Internet Explorer. With that Windows Explorer, we can just view the websites, but here Microsoft Edge is useful for viewing all that. It is of very higher speed, and it is also very safety from the virus and malware, and uses less battery, and also allows live marking on web pages for user ease. And next, coming to the character map. Character map is a Microsoft Windows utility for seeing all available characters and Unicode in each of the fonts installed on the computer. It will be like this, the icon will be like this, and the interface of this character map is like this. You can just type the characters and all we can use. And how to open this character map? Same, we can go to the apps, all apps, and just see where it is. Where is character map? Character map, where? Yes, in the Windows accessories we have character map. See the interface I showed you, no? It is like that only. You can just see, and then through the search engine also you can go. Thank you.